What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Infinite Gains again. So yeah, we had an exciting Friday. We had an exciting week. Um, and yeah, a lot of news came out. Roaring Kitty had a YouTube video, and we obviously had a pretty massive dump here. I think we peaked around $70 ish. It was 60 something dollars, and then we dumped. All the way to currently $28. But I'm not really in the least bit worried, and so actually GME came at a resting place. It rested at that green line that I've had on the chart, which was the top of this gap here. So now we've found kind of a resting place where we chopped around pretty much into close. Now GME did follow this 5 wave move pattern that I was tracking, and it peaked around 60 something dollars or something around there during pre-market or something. So I mean it tracked, so it did hit that 1.618 extension level. And then, as I said, I thought that there was going to be an ABC correction. I thought there was going to be some kind of ABC correction, but I didn't think it was going to be this dramatic. I guess you could say this is an ABC correction, which it makes sense that it is because, let's see here. So we have our 5 wave move up, then you have this ABC correction, which A is equal to C, and now you should see an additional 5 wave move to the upside. Let's see here. You should see, an additional 5 wave move, something like this. To the upside, resting at this $100 target for our wave 3. If we zoom out on the daily, so that would be our wave 3. So you would have wave 1, wave 2, and then this is in the big this is still wave 3. Retrace to about $70, make another high about $200, something like that. Now if we go to our other GME chart, this chart tracked perfectly because, what did I tell y'all? I told y'all in the previous videos, I was like, okay, if we zoom out to the daily, we are riding this fib channel. If I zoom out even more, we are riding this fib channel to the upside, and we've been using it as support. If we zoom in, it's like, where are we at? We found support right back at this fib channel, did we not? We found support at the fib channel. So we're going to be riding this fib channel to the upside. But what else did this chart do as well is it almost perfectly shot up and hit this purple line during pre-market, and then dumped all the way back down to the fib channel. It tracked it like almost perfectly. So that kind of just validates that what we're charting is working, and it makes sense. So my idea is, okay, we came up, got rejected by this purple channel. Now we came back down, found support at this fib channel. Now it's time to shoot up, break this purple and white channel, and find the top of the next channel for our peak. And that's around $700 to $800. Now that sounds crazy, but I think if we're able to once we break this white channel, it's pretty much GG's, because we'll have broken the white channel resistance and the purple channel resistance. So I think it's pretty much fucking GG at that point. So we're gonna have to wait for that. We're gonna have to wait because we did get smacked down hard when we hit it in pre-market. We literally zoomed up, hit it almost exactly in pre-market, and got slammed the fuck down. looking at AMC. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. So looking at AMC, yeah, I mean, what's going on here? What is this? Okay. So AMC obviously has this channel, this top of the channel right here. So we've been kind of messing around with this channel. We do have this structure as support. If we draw this trend line all the way from down here, like right here. Let's see, like that. So we still do have this trend line as support. Our major goal is to break again up to the upside from this trend line, and to be able to break back into this channel. So maybe on Monday we go down just a little bit more, shoot up, maybe hit this, and then try to get back into this channel and then trade at higher levels. I'm not worried at this point because I mean, yeah, you're thinking, okay, well, GME's down fucking 40% on the day, but it's like, guys, we went from $10 to like $70. I mean, can we really fucking complain, guys? Like, seriously, like, I don't know what we're complaining about. Like, we pumped from $10 to like $70. I mean, like, what is there to $80? I mean, what is there to complain about? It's like a fucking 800% increase, and it's like we see an 800% increase, and then we just have a retrace to test support. Oh my god, it's over. He scammed us. It's fucking over. It's just kind of ridiculous at this point. And I get it. There's a bunch of fucking shills. There's a bunch of fucking people running around with their head chopped off that kind of just like put money in, was like thinking that like, hey, I'm just gonna put money in, it's just gonna go to the fucking moon. Like, like, it's just like, as soon as I put money in, it's gonna go to $1 million. It's just kind of ridiculous. And I don't know, we just gotta trust our technical analysis, and it's like, it's working. Guy rejected this purple line, we found support at this fib channel. AMC, still finding support. We need to get back into this channel. But yeah, I mean, guys, we were literally last month we were at $4. We just peaked out at like $6, came back. We're still almost at $5. We're still almost at $5, on AMC. GME is like at fucking $30. I mean, up from $17. So I mean, and guess what? We're at $21. All of these call options are still in the money. You still have 148 call options in the money. So, yeah, obviously you need to be making your own investment decisions. Like, you need to you need to decide your own risk profile. Like, if you don't want to see a 50% or more retracement, and like you don't want to see these volatile moves, then don't trade this stock. And if you're putting money in here that that you need, if you're putting money in here that you're not willing to lose, then don't trade this stock. But I've been seeing a lot of fear recently. I've been seeing a lot of, oh, it's fucking over, and maybe it is, but we just have to stick with our technical analysis as it comes in. We have to take data as it comes in, and I'm not really in the least bit worried right now, because at the end of the day, it's like, after doing 3 years of fucking research, it's like, and being from the 2021 rally, I mean, it's like, this thing is just like a fucking time bomb. saying it's just a time bomb. I think we're just waiting at this point. Yeah, look at AMC. I mean, we got this kind of pennant thing going on here, which would be awesome, you know, if we broke to the upside around 550 and just fucking mooned. Because we got this kind of a triangular, you know, pattern here that I think if we break out, we're going to see more upside. So GME, bounce off this line here. If we can go down just a little bit more, that's fine. We do have a little bit of support going here, which we kind of bounced off of, as you can see. So that's perfectly fine. And yeah, you know, if you guys have any questions, put it in the comments. And you know, I'm really not in the least bit worried. I'm not saying that as in like, hey, fucking put all your life savings in a fucking GME and like it's gonna go to the fucking moon. You know, I'm just saying, as of right now, like I bought down here anyways, so I'm not even scared. But it's like, you know, if you want volatility, then you should expect volatility in both directions. So when it goes down on you, it's like you shouldn't just fucking shit your pants and sell everything and just say it's fucking over. Like, but that is what it is. You know, 600,000 people watched Roaring Kitty's YouTube video, like live. You know, you have millions of apes around the world buying these things, and it's like, this is really just more about money. It's more than just a stock, and it's like a movement at this point. So yeah, I'm kind of just rambling on, but anyways, I'll see you guys next week, and I should have more time next week to go live, like pretty much all day, I think. So next week I'll definitely go live, and I'll try to be updating you guys more, and I'll try to make more like charts as I discover like new, you know, technical analysis, you know, strategy. So I'll try to make more charts. But yeah, anyways, let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll try to answer them all. But let's fucking go, man. We're up. I mean, we're still up. So I'll see you guys next week, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.